So let's start making the first step and put the nav and the hero section in the header. But we actually didn't create the header yet, so let's go and create it. Here we will put the header like that. But as you see, before we put the hero section, things will get mixed if we go on like this. So we need comments. So let's add some comments to just like organize the things much more. By this way, we have a little bit a good space to write our hero section here, and without feeling like everything is mixed and piled upon each other or something like that. Let's now make our hero section like that, and we will make it display flex. This will help us justify the content in the center of the page and align the items vertically to the center like that. Now we have the hero section right here, and if we write anything inside the hero section like that and saved and went to see it in the page, we will not find anything we will not find the hello just like in the center or something like that. We will find it here. So why is that? Actually, because we did not give the header a 100 vertical height. So all the header ends here. Look, this is all the HTML even. So we need now to go to the second step that we have talked about here, which is making the header take 100 VH. So we have done this one. And let's go now and make the header take 100 VH. To do that, we need to create a header style.scss. Let's do that. Let's attach the new header Sass file to the style.scss in order to be able to read it. And now let's go and make the header take a height of 100 VH. Let's go to see our content. So nothing happened, but we have the header with 100 VH, and nothing happened because this thing doesn't take any space from the header. So we need also to put the hero to give a height for the hero section. Let's go and see now how is the hello. Yes, so it's in the middle. Why I just like abstracted 60 pixels? These 60 pixels are going for the header. Sorry for that. Yeah, these are for the nav bar. So I gave the hero 100 vertical height, or maybe I can say 100%. It is the same. 100%, which is 100% from the header, minus the 60 pixels, which belongs to the navbar. So it will give me the same result. So either 100% of the 100 VH or 100 VH minus 60 pixels, it is the same thing. And now we have an adjusted hero inside our HTML page. So we have finished the second step. Let's go and mark that. Oh, that is a good thing, you know.